In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a custom domain to system.io. To do that, first you need to purchase your domain. I personally use Dynadot.com because I really like their domain prices and how relatively simple domain management is. If you don't use any registrar yet, I'll leave a link below this video. But if you want, you can use any other registrar. So if you don't have a domain yet, first go to Dynadot.com or any other registrar of your choice. Search for the domain name you want, and if it's available, buy it. If not, try a different one until you find something you like. Once you got your domain, head over to system.io. From the main dashboard, go to the top right corner, click on your profile picture, and then click Settings. On the left side menu, you'll see Custom Domains. Click on that. Then hit Add Domain and type in your domain name. But here's an important thing. Make sure you enter it with www in front. Hit Save and system.io will give you a set of DNS records you need to add at your registrar. Now, I know this part can look intimidating if you are a beginner, but trust me, it's actually really simple. Just follow along. Once you have the instructions, go back to dynadot.com, click on your name or log in if you haven't done so yet. Then go to Manage Domains, find your domain, check the box, at the top click Action and choose Dynadot Settings. Where it says Dynadot Parking, choose Dynadot DNS. And configuration window will open. This is where we start entering the records. Don't get confused here. You first need to copy the data you receive from system.io into section number 2, not section 1, section 2. Then click Add Record and in the subdomain field enter www. For the record type, choose CNAME. For the IP address destination you need to enter, go back to system.io and copy this value. But watch out, when you copy, there is a little dot at the very end of the value. Do not copy that. If you accidentally include it, then things might not work properly. Also, don't copy anything from this field. The system handles that part automatically since we already typed in www. Go back to Dynadot and paste your copied value into the IP address/destination field. Then click Add Record again, go back to system.io and copy the next value. But again, do not copy that dot at the end. Return to Dynadot and paste it in the subdomain field. For the record type, choose CNAME again, then go back to system.io one more time, copy this value, and paste it back into Dynadot right here. Almost done, but we need to set up a redirect to your www domain. Go back to section number 1 called Domain Record. Under record type, choose Forward, then select 301 from the drop-down and enter your full domain name. You must enter your domain name with HTTPS and www here. Once all this data is entered, click Save Settings. Once everything is entered, your domain in system.io will show pending validation. Be aware that DNS propagation can take from a few minutes up to 48 hours. Usually it's pretty fast, but just be patient. Once the DNS updates, you should see a ready-to-use message next to your domain. At that point, type your domain into your browser and you should see a system.io page that looks something like this. If something didn't work out, I recommend contacting system.io support. They're really great and will help you quickly. One more thing, if you plan to send emails with system.io, you'll also need to set up email authentication for your domain. I'm covering that in my next video, so I link it right below this one.